U.S. stocks are holding in this morning. They were slightly negative, or I should say mixed. It was really the NASDAQ that was negative as chips are putting pressure on tech again. NVIDIA was down nearly 2% at one point, but everything's recovering nicely now. As I speak to you right now, the NASDAQ is up 0.4%, the S&P 0.6%, the Dow 0.8%, the Russell up almost 1.25%. Jobless claims are better than expected again. Even the continuing claims number, 1.81 million. That is not a bad number at all. And Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, much stronger than expected, coming in at 15.5. Expectations were for 1.5, and the prior month was 3.2. Existing home sales fell in the U.S. despite some increase in supply. Some analysts thought an increase in supply would actually spark new home sales. Didn't happen so far. That increase, by the way, was mostly new homes, as we see existing homes are not coming into the market yet. Yields are slightly higher. The 2 years up 5 basis points. So is the 5-year. 10 years at about 463, up 4 basis points. 30-year 472, up 1. No real move in the 2-10s inversion, sitting at negative 36. No rush on rate cuts. At least that's what the market gets from Loretta Mester, who was the latest Federal Reserve official to reiterate that interest rates can be held steady and there's no need to rush cuts, sort of reiterating what Fed Chair Jerome Powell said a couple of days ago when he stated that rates could stay higher for longer. Michelle Bowman, the Fed governor, also added that progress and inflation may have stalled, and she questioned how much tighter monetary policy is restraining the actual economy. She doesn't see it. Gold is steady, up about 1/3%. Silver up 1/4%. Copper's up about 1.9%. Crude oil is down, continuing its recent weakness. Now, looking ahead, earnings after the market close, there's only 8 companies with $1 billion of market cap or more, but we get a monster in Netflix. Also, we get Intuitive Surgical, and we get a couple of regional banks before the market opens tomorrow. We get another 7 companies with market caps of over $1 billion or more, including Procter & Gamble, American Express, Fifth Third Bank, and oil and gas equipment services provider Schlumberger. Fed speak today. We already had Bowman. We also get New York Fed President John Williams. We also get Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic. Data tonight, Japanese inflation data. Tomorrow, UK retail sales and figures and speeches from Bank of England policymaker Dave Ramsden and Sarah Breeden.